I'm Elinor Barker. I'm a track and road cyclist from Cardiff, and I've won 4 Olympic medals and 7 world titles. I started riding when I was 10, so it's been my whole life, really. It just wasn't something that I thought was realistic, that I would actually be a cyclist for my job, especially not for so many years. It just happened very quickly. Winning the Olympics in 2016, it's hard to get a feeling to top that. But I also think that the World Championships in 2023, it was a bit over a year after I had my son, and I just didn't know how I'd get back into riding again, and then actually had my most successful World Championships ever with my little boy in the crowds. That was, a huge feeling. That was amazing. Finding out I was Wales' most decorated female Olympian was really, really nice surprise. It felt really special. And I think it's always really nice when I go back to Wales and maybe go to a cycling club or an event and someone will come up and say that I've inspired them in some way, because it's not something that I think about on a daily basis. But it is nice to know that it could inspire somebody to either start cycling or to stay in cycling, particularly girls in that tricky age between 12 and 16. Having positive role models for girls can really inspire them to carry on, and that's what it did for me.